sorry, Surya Bhattacharya. Anuruddha Mandal, can you hear me? Okay. Anuruddha Mandal, can you hear me? Okay. Okay. You have put off your mic actually. Okay. Anyhow.
Our teachers, they are conducting online classes. And the same way we are conducting this meeting also. We are getting our training also online. Everything is online. So it is very nice to see. Though it is not too much, out of 105 or how many were there? Total alumni from the group 140, no? But only 42 could join. The situation is like this only. I am not blaming anybody. So really we are extremely thankful that still we have got 44 alumni who have joined this meeting. Because it's a Sunday and you all, most of the alumni, they are engaged in different courses. You may have some classes also on Sunday. You may have some other liabilities. Still, I recall one Mandal was there first. Mandal, Arva Buddha, Oya Mandal. You have talked very nicely. And lastly, one Dr. Shobhit Modi. Really, it's very praiseworthy. One point you have mentioned here, the strong bonding among the Navodayans. I have also, not only me, all of us, the teachers who were associated with Navodaya for a long time. I am around 28 years associated with Navodaya. Wherever we have served, the old students in the hospital or in the engineering college, they helped like they helped as if they are our own child. Though I didn't teach them, still the bond is so strong. Once I got one operation when I was serving at JNB Sambalpur. So in the medical college, the hospital, many students were there from JNB Sambalpur students, many were from JNB other students in Odisha. So what help I got, that is unbelievable. And really, it will be extremely nice if our own child can help us like that. Anyway, Navodaya is like this. And the main motto of this alumni meeting is very interesting, that the alumni who are the product of this institution, it's a huge number at present in our country. So it is a nice, it is a day, alumni day is the day on which the old and the present students, they meet together, they correspond, they share their views, and specifically the students who are studying at present, they become the most benefited. And we also actually feel very pleased to see our product, the old students who are serving different corners of the country. So that's a proud moment for us. Anyway, this year we could not enjoy too much. Our present students also, very less number of students which I see on the board, they could meet in this meeting. Still, the way you have participated and you have expressed your and share your ideas, it's really praiseworthy. It's very difficult to be united after going away from the school and being engaged at different situations, different conditions, different institutions. So it is really very difficult to be united once again, meeting like this alumni meet. So still, as it was reflected by our principal sir, really it should be block-wise at least one fellow if he can coordinate, or one must be there on behalf of Navodaya alumni, JNB Hooghly. If you can united yourself, if you have a good group in WhatsApp event, so it will be very nice enough. We can take care of our precious students, we can think about Vidyalaya. It's a special kind of school, so it needs special feedback from our product and from the present also. Anyway, we feel very good to see once again you, specifically the teacher who taught you. They also become very applauded with your appearance, with your teaching, with your voice, and with your present status. So with this, I want to conclude. I thanks all the teachers, principal, and all the alumni who have been connected in this meeting. Thank you very much.